Hello, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Leo, and in this video I am quickly going through my process for picking a monthly theme. I find it easiest to first look at how much time I have to create a spread. Then it's time to choose a layout. For example, a layout with a month on one page like this, or on both pages like this one. You can even do vertical layouts like this one from 2019. There are so many places to draw inspiration from, such as current interest, or holidays taking place that month like Halloween in October. I also like checking Instagram and Pinterest for possible themes. Finally, when I'm ready to set up and have time, I'll pick the layout and the theme and create the spread in my bullet journal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.